Let's try. We gotta get some posts. Before we do that, we got to deliver hay rings, move the cows to their fresh pasture with some rye planted to break up their time on the rye. They're gonna have to eat some hay because it's still winter here. Regular grass isn't growing, or warm season grass isn't growing yet, so we supplement it with some good coastal hay. So we're gonna deliver the hay rings. I got 2 of them to take over there to fill in this truck nicely. So we're just gonna put some rope on there so we feel better about it, but I really don't think they will go anywhere. I drive so carefully. Here we go again. I think I might get my name changed to Tangle. I'll tell you, boy, we got junk everywhere. So we'll tie a good old-fashioned slip knot. It's like someone already tied one. I can hear my dad now. Take them gloves off. So I'll take them off. It's like wearing gloves, you know. Even when you wear gloves, handling barbed wire earlier, still get you. It'll get you. If you don't know how to tie a slip knot, run it through there, and you can do it like that or whatever. But knot just gets tighter and tighter. That knot won't bind. Shut up. I reckon we'll just run it through there. There. Yeah, right. I'm doing all this. Hopefully this truck will crank. Really crank it down. The key to all this working is driving really slow. That just makes it feel better. Oh yeah, if you're ever wiggling your bounty and the whole truck bed wiggles, you can say that ain't going nowhere. Got a little squirrely back there. Damn, I really hope my thumbnail don't fall off. So when you're feeding cows in the winter time, high protein rye cover crop grows really good in the winter, so we usually try to overseed some of that or drill it into the pasture. You introduce them to it, you gotta feed them hay with it, and don't let them stay on it all day. Just let them stay on there for several hours and then take them off. Otherwise, the system get overloaded and they'll just have massive diarrhea. Seriously, it'll literally shoot out the butthole like a projectile missile and spray whatever's behind them within 5 to 10 feet. It's very disgusting. We're wasting all that good nutrients. So we introduce them to the rye. We try to keep them on a couple hours and take them off. Then you can gradually get it longer and longer. Then you can just leave them on there. They're free graze off the hay. It's good to have hay in there too to help hold that so they get all the processing done and get all the nutrients out of it. Otherwise they'll just literally eat it and poop it out. It's a waste. So we're going to take his hay rings over there and get some hay over there. Hopefully sometime this week. I always check your waters too. This is a closed pen. We don't have access to the open pond, but we got waters there. I fixed it before I moved them in here. Hopefully this will be a good year for this pasture because we didn't dist it in. We letting that natural wiregrass is the old people call it this. It's like a native Bermuda grass. Really, I think is what it is. You just fertilize it and let it go. I don't know where I want to put these at. So maybe we'll just throw hay out over here in this pasture. We'll put them out right here in this sand because this is still a lot of sand up here in this hill. Let's see if they're still back here. What do you know they are? Whole world. That might not ever come out. Oh God, we've been spotted. The cows are coming, so we're on We're on the time clock now. They think there's feet on this truck. Boy, they wrong. Look at me being responsible. Wiring up my rope. God, every time. Today's not the day. Sorry, rope. And that's how it starts. Be gentle with them. These things get beat up. That sucks. They're about to fall apart. You ever feel like you're just a hamster in the wheel? We'll come back later and put some hay in there. Let's ride! They're about to haul ass. And I'm hungry.